For number 25, it says find the third term of the expansion of this 4x minus 8 to the 12th power. So remember here we have a binomial raised to some power, so that is going to be using the binomial theorem, which that comprises of three patterns: the chooses, the A's, and the B's. So let's just go through those three patterns. The chooses, well, I can do my entire triangle, right? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, whatever, but this is going to take a long time because I want to go up to the 12th row, which is going to take a long time. So we're not going to do that because we're just going to look at the multiple choices and see that, oh, the chooses position, which is the first number, is going to be 66. Right? So whatever it is, it's 66 throughout the entire, just remember it's going to be 60, not the entire thing, but whatever we choose is going to be 66. Next, we have to look at the A's, and in this case what's in the A position is 4x. So I know it's going to be 4x, and if you remember we start with choose 0, then we do like the mountain thing, then it's 4x to the 12th power, and then we start at b to the 0, which is in this case negative 8 to the 0. So this starts off at the 12th power. So whatever we have, our chooses, our A's, and our B's, and we just continue those patterns, so this counts down and this counts up. So next I'll have 4x to the 11th, and then we just count down 4x to the 10th, 4x to the 9th, and so on, all the way down to 4x to the 0. And here I just count upwards. We start at 0, and I go negative 8 to the 1st, negative 8 to the 2nd, negative 8 to the 3rd, and so on and so on and so on. Now let's take a look at this though. It says that we want to find the third term of our expansion. So this is our first term in the first row. Then we have our second term. And here's our third term right here. So there's our third term. We're just going to end up multiplying all those things. And if we take a look at our multiple choices, well, we need the 66, obviously. And then we have 4x to the 10th. Well, that's these two are possible, so not that one anymore and that one. That's the fourth term. And then last we have a negative 8 to the second power. Not positive 8, it's a negative 8. So this has a positive 8. So the answer must be B.